So out here on a job here today in Russell Lee. Basically you can see there's a Telstra pit here. NBN's refused to do the leading cable, making the customer do it themselves. So today what we're going to do is we're going to get it to the outside here. You can see my little bend there. I'm going to get that bend to the outside because once we get it to the boundary, then it's up to them. So we're going to get it to there for them, so they have to do the rest. So this customer doesn't have to pay us to do that part. But as you can see here, we've got roots and stuff everywhere. It's up through a garden bed, so we're getting it down to 300, and then we're going to take it under the house and then put it into a socket. So that was a bit of a nightmare, but yeah, wasn't the easiest digging. There were roots everywhere. That's all in now, down to here. So we've got our cable, a conduit popping out underneath the house there, and now we're going to put the socket on. So that's this part done here now. So basically I've got my bend coming through here, so all they've got to do, and I've got all the leading cable coiled up here, so they just have to spin that bend around and take it down into the pit. Usually I've seen what they do is they just bring it down here and go through that cold mix, whatever you call it, and then enter into the pit. So we're not going to do that. That's up to NBN. So this part here's done. Now it's going to go whack the socket on the other end, and that's it. Getting too old for this shit.